If you sometimes feel overwhelmed by large notes in Obsidian, I'll show you how you can instantly break them down into small, actionable pieces using AI. To improve your focus, clarity, and give you easy access to key ideas or plans. So I create those bite-sized notes by using a feature included in Note Companion, our Obsidian plugin, which was previously called File Organizer 2000. And the way it works is simple. It uses AI to analyze your document and isolate key ideas or sections. And it then suggests them for you to add as separate notes. Here's what it looks like. So here I have a large note with a 12-week plan, and if I open Note Companion here on the side, I have this button where I can generate what we call atomic notes. If I click on it, I just wait a few seconds and it gives me all those bite-sized notes that I can easily add with a click of a button. And just like that, I can create one note for each week so that I don't get overwhelmed every time I want to check my plan for a given week. And that my goals for the week are crystal clear with no other distraction when I open that note. One thing that it doesn't do right now is keeping the original Markdown formatting. As you can see, it's plain text here, but that's something that is easily remedied by using the templates feature. I have these templates here that allows me to enhance my note with a single click. If you want to see how it works in details, check out the last video we released. I'll put the link below. The full Markdown format will actually be fully supported by the end of this week, so this is just temporary. I already coded the feature. I'm just going over the last rounds of testing, but by the time you see this video, it will likely be released already. Here's another example. I have this massive note which I call a brain dump. It's basically a collection of ideas for a business service that I collected over many months for building marketing websites for startups. But it has no proper separation of concepts, of ideas, so it's a bit of a headache to navigate. But with this Atomic Notes feature, I can just open it, click on the button, and see all the ideas it suggests to isolate. I can, for example, just select a few on which I want to focus at the moment. So I have easy access to them and can really give them the attention they deserve. So let's say I want to have these three concepts as separate notes. I just click and there they are. Another thing I do to isolate my thoughts even more is that I use this plugin called Zen Pro to put my notes into full screen without any other UI distractions, so I can fully focus on them. If you're someone who's easily distracted, I recommend trying it out too. It really makes a difference for me. So there you go, this is how I break down large notes into small, manageable, actionable pieces to increase my focus and attention. If you're someone that is easily distracted or gets lost in your notes, I highly recommend it. It helps put the clutter away when you want to pinpoint your focus onto your most important task at hand. Let me know what you think. If you have any suggestions on how we could take it further. Thanks a lot for watching, and a million thanks to everyone that supports the product.